Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you this quick, simple and easy shrimp and chicken stir fry that I prepared for dinner for myself and my children. This comprised of some chicken breast, some veggies, fresh veggies, sweet peppers or onions or scallions, and a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper as well, and some shrimp. And these are raw shrimp, guys. I never cook with already cooked shrimp because they become rubbery. Shrimp cooks in 5 minutes, guys. So extensive cooking is gonna make them tough and rubbery. Alright, so we're gonna add some oil to our frying pot here. As well as some butter. This particular butter is the Chiffon brand butter, and we're gonna be using that. I'm gonna go ahead and have that melted. Once that has melted down, we're gonna go ahead and add our seasoned chicken breast, and we lightly seasoned the chicken breast with a little bit of dark soy sauce, some Maggi chicken, and some Maggi all purpose. And we're just gonna go ahead and stir that in, and we're trying not to over flavor because we're seasoning as we go along. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and have that chicken breast just cooked. Now we're gonna put that to one side, and we're gonna be adding our green seasoning. We're using the Walker's Wood green seasoning. We're just gonna use that to flavor the oil. I'm just gonna have that cooking a little bit, and then we're gonna stir it in with our chicken. Right, we're cooking the chicken to ensure that it loses that kind of transparent look. We want it to become like very opaque. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and just continue to cook that, and we're still not going to be overcooking this chicken breast because we want it to be tender and not chewy. So we're gonna be adding half of our veggies to the stir fry now. I'm gonna move the chicken breast again to one side. We're gonna scrape in some of those veggies, or we're gonna add in some of those veggies. Guys, I'm Jamaican, boy, just sit with me. Alright, then we're gonna just mix it together. Alright, we're just incorporating all of that flavor and all of that goodness. Now we're gonna be seasoning with our Badea complete seasoning, guys, and I really love this seasoning. I don't know, I'm a granny broke up on it. I love it. I love it bad. We're gonna go ahead and stir that in. A little bit of salt, because I didn't season the meat, any of the meat with salt, guys. The salt I'm putting into the actual overall completed well, it's not completed yet, but it's gonna be the overall dish itself and not in the different elements. We're gonna be adding a little bit of sugar, guys, and this is one of the secrets that the Chinese have that I have really adapted, that little bit of sugar, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just have that, you know, continue to play with it a little bit as we go ahead and just allow that to cook. I'm gonna do my little taste test in regards to the seasoning, and can I tell you guys, this was absolutely delicious. It was so quick, so easy to make. Within 15 minutes dinner was ready, and I had served this with some white rice, some plain rice cooked with a little butter, and that was it. So now we're adding our curry mix, and this is from Rainforest, along with our Rainforest raw shrimp, and these are the large shrimp, easy peel, and I'm also adding the balance of those fresh veggies and seasonings, right? And we're going to go ahead and just stir this in a little bit. We're going to cover it and allow it to just simmer for about another 5 minutes. Shrimps cook in 5 minutes, guys, and me stirring there, guys, I'm trying to get the shrimp down under the chicken so that the shrimp can cook in that 5 minute period for me, so that it's still it just has this, it's just delicious when shrimp is cooked properly and at the right temperature, to the right taste, you know. If you understand, you understand. Alright, so just want to go ahead, continue to play around a little bit, cover it and allow it to simmer down. And once it's finished, we're gonna just go ahead and serve this up with some white rice and enjoy it. But guys, not to stray from what we're cooking here, but I just want to remind you that God loves you. God loves us. So no matter what we're going through in this life, no matter the circumstances, God is a very big God. And God can change your circumstances. He can change your situation within a minute. Just a split second. They say faith as much as a mustard seed move mountains. Just a little faith. Just a little patience. Just hope. Just have faith, hope, and rely on His word. That's my word for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me prepare this quick and easy chicken and shrimp stir fry. And do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and to go ahead and comment below if you try this quick and easy recipe, and let me know whether or not it was delicious for you. Thank you so much for watching, and do have yourself an amazing 2025. Happy New Year!